What's TWA?
Twa.
What's TWI?
Twee.
What's TWE?
Twee.
What's TWO?
Two.
What?
Two.
Jerome. Jerome. What's Jerome? What's TWO?
Two.
Jerome. Jerome. Spell this. Spell it, Jerome.
Two.
Spell it.
Two.
Spell it.
Two.
I thought it was TWO. Twa. Y'all don't know how long me see this. Shame on me, but look at that. Look at that. Hey! That queen. All right. Yes. Progress, guys. Listen. Slowly but surely, progress is what is important. We haven't been to Crumbl Cookie in a while, so since we're going by there, what we say we are going to JJ? We're going to Crumbl Cookie. Let's see what flavors they have this week. Remember where it is. It's not this one. All right, here we go. Long time we don't see Crumbl. Let's go Crumbl.
No, you can't touch one. So what is that? Strawberry crumb.
What about that one? That's like it has a
This one?
Yeah.
That's the honey cornbread.
Okay, and this?
The regular chocolate chip.
I want to do the honey one.
How many altogether?
Let's do 4.
4. Okay.
I want to do the honey. Which other one?
What about one?
What's that one?
That one is a Nilla bean cupcake, like a vanilla
Like a
bean
vanilla.
cupcake.
You want to do that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Which one? Next. This.
Peanut butter jelly.
It's peanut butter jelly. That sounds cool. Peanut butter jelly. And what's that one?
The classic pink sugar.
This is just regular one. Let's try that one.
Anything else for you guys?
No, that's it. Do you want to try? How much are these mini ones before she goes crazy?
Those are for catering.
Oh, okay. What? They're for catering. What's the name for the other Jerome?
Would you like eggnog for the loyalty program?
No, that's all right. Crying no more, huh? Hold on, hand, Drew. Come, Joey, we passed the car. Ew, stop blowing bubbles. Come on. Joey, come see. So, guys, we went to Crumbl Cookie. Joel and Jerome already start eating the crumble and the cookies. There are only 3 left. Wait, man. I can't remember what you said this name. I'm going to find it and tell you guys. Joey. So, there's peanut butter jelly. I know that.
That's basically
A strawberry shortbread drop. And another one with honey. Joel, can you come around, please?
I think it was like honeydew or something.
No, it wasn't honeydew. It was like a honey drop. So let's do peanut butter and jelly first. Jerome, you never have no knife. Peanut butter jelly time. Hey, we should do a peanut butter and jelly time dance. Daddy, can you pass us a knife, please? And a little plate. There, Joey, taste it. What kind of jelly is it? Give me your finger. Come to the side. You want to taste it? Daddy's coming here. What kind of jelly is that? Is that strawberry or raspberry? True. Strawberry or raspberry?
Keep the raspberry to me.
Taste raspberry?
You want to try?
Oh, sure. Thank you, Carl. You're welcome. All right, let's see, Joey. Remember, we all have to share it, so don't get upset because it's not a perfect circle anymore. Are you going to leave a piece for your daddy? What are you going to do?
I'll take one down.
Jerome, take a piece. You have to share. That's how it works. Do you want to bite? Here, how about this big piece? Here you go. peanut butter jelly. You know what? It's not too sweet. I like that. And just taste like peanut butter.
I can tell taste the jelly.
I can taste the jelly too. But now that we eat it together, we can't tell what kind of jelly. Or raspberry or strawberry. What's this called? Raspberry or strawberry?
Raspberry.
Yes, actually.
But it's not too sweet. I like that. This one is a bummer. We're not buying you something. Joey! What you doing? I'd buy it again, Jerome. Peanut butter jelly. You'd buy it again? How much you give it out of 10?
8.
8? What would make it a 10?
A bit more doughy.
Oh, see, that's the difference between us. Jerome likes it doughy,
Yes.
and I like it with a little bit more crisp. And this one not so doughy. Next one, which one are you going to do, honey?
Try the honey. Okay.
But that big, there was like a dollop or something on top. But
Yeah. You know what? I'll try to get that.
let's see.
Oh, we got it.
We got it. Joey, come here, sit down, baby. We can't see. Come around. Thank you. You ready for the next one, Joe?
I said just. Never mind.
We should have cleaned up tonight.
No, I was gonna say we should probably put it on. Yeah, spread around the thing.
All right, Joey. Next one.
Is this
Carl, how much are you giving the peanut butter jelly?
I give it a 7.
A 7? I give it an 8.5. I liked it. All right, Jerome, go. You gonna try the honey? Honey. That one's for Daddy. Here, this one is for Jojo. Jojo, this one is for Jojo. You smell it? What does it smell like? This is a whipped topping thing up top. It's kind of weird.
Not bad.
But it is honey-ish.
Yeah.
The cookie is buttery. It's really buttery. Jerome, I wonder if they're going to do Mardi Gras cookie for New Orleans. Because I know they're like a American chain. It's all over America. But you know, some places that you go, they base it based on the regions. Certain things, like different stores. One of them are gonna do it like Walmart. Walmart sells Mardi Gras stuff in Louisiana.
I wonder if they do that. I wonder what they do in Alaska.
I have no idea. Carl, what do they do in Alaska?
For what?
What kind of seasons are there in Alaska? Do they have like a Mardi Gras? Do they have like a big parade or?
Salmon season. There's
Ooh, salmon cookie.
Oh wait, it would be like a cookie, a normal vanilla cookie with a salmon.
Oh, just with a salmon gooey on top, kind of like all the sharks.
Or maybe no, the sharks it had gummies.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe, or maybe you could have fish.
All right, ready? Go ahead, Jerome.
Yeah, in the strawberry.
It's something like. Joey, you're making sure you take all the raspberry jelly. Here, Carl. Cheers. Thank you, Joelle. Oh, this is interesting.
Right.
So then all this crumble thing on top, it's really crumbly. And you get a crunch from it when you bite it, and then inside kind of gooey. It's definitely strawberry. And then it seems there's white chocolate in it too. Huh? You plug it up? The laptop must be dead. Sorry, y'all. Can you turn on that light? Thank you, Carl. I think this is white chocolate. This is definitely white chocolate. But this looks like it having white chocolate too. Let's try the bottom. When you eat it without the crumbly part, it's not too sweet. With the crumbly part, like in the middle of it, it tastes too sweet to me. But I have white chocolate, the crumbly. Just a lot of it. But it's pretty good. Very strawberry, very buttery. Tastes fresh. So, the strawberry crumble one, I'd probably give this one a 7, Jay. But it has the potential to be a 10. Anyways, what do you say?
I think this would be a 6.5.
A 6.5? If them just cut back that sweetness from that little crumble top, I think that would do it. Anyways, guys, you saw us also order a Nilla bean, or Nilla bean, whatever they call it. I'm gonna look for the proper name and put it in the description bar. You also saw us buy that, but guess who ate it in the car before we got home? Jerome and his accomplice, Joel. Yep. So, I don't have a review on that. However, when I did taste it in the car, I got a little bump. When I did taste it in the car, it has like a cookie dough taste. So it was really like doughy and crumbly the way this one likes it.
That was definitely a 9.5.
That was a 9.5? I thought that was too sweet. Because they do like a whoopie topping. So I thought it was a little bit too sweet. But Jerome says a 9.5. Alright. Well, like we said, the difference is he likes it doughy and I like it with a little bit of crunch, a little bit more bite to it. And so that one was very dough-like. And so, of course, he says that's a 9.5. Yeah. It was vanilla and it was good. It was a good cookie. I would have given that a 6.5 or 7.
Also, you probably... Also, I bet that crunch is the reason you'll probably like this.
Oh, that strawberry one. Yeah, because I do like the texture of it. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in and joining us again. As you can see, we're trying to take down all our Christmas decor. It's 12th night, which means it's 12 nights since Christmas. So that means that Mardi Gras starts our Mardi Gras season. So thank you for joining us. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and
subscribe.
Leave a comment if you will. We'd love to hear from you. Anyway, share. Anyway, see you guys later. Jerome, any parting words? Anything you want to say before we leave?
Yeah.
See y'all later.
Follow
us on Instagram. We started an Instagram page. We also started a TikTok. Not going over there yet, but
if you do a subscription to our Instagram, I might give you a spoiler.
Anyways, I'm gonna take you around the cell. See ya.